What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to connect a keyboard and a mouse to your PS5, and trust me, the process is quite simple. All you just have to do is to head over to your PS5. Okay, so over here I have my Bluetooth and my mouse, and I'm basically going to be showing you how to do this for both wireless and wired Bluetooth and mouse. First of all, let's start with the wired mouse I have over here. For a wired mouse with a USB-A cable or a USB-A dongle, the process is quite simple. All you just have to do is to go ahead and connect the USB-A part of the cable to any of the USB-A ports at the back of your PS5. As soon as you connect it to the USB port at the back of your PS5 should be able to recognize the device. Also, if you have a wireless mouse that actually comes with a USB-A dongle, you just want to go ahead and connect it to the same port at the back of your PS5, and it is also going to be recognized by the PS5. Now, as soon as your wired mouse or your wireless mouse with a USB dongle is connected to your PS5, you're going to see this indicator at the top of the PS5. There is actually nothing so much you have to do at this particular point, but to customize your mouse according to your need, you can actually just press on the PlayStation button on your controller, head over to where we have accessories over here at the bottom, select that, and then here you're going to see your USB mouse. You just want to go ahead and select that, click on mouse settings, and from over here you should now be able to customize your mouse. If you want to connect a wireless mouse or a Bluetooth mouse, what you just want to do is to head over to the settings of your PS5, come over to where we have accessories, and then from general you want to head over to Bluetooth accessories, select that. Whichever Bluetooth mouse you have, you want to make sure it is on pairing mode, and at the bottom over here where we have the accessories found, your PS5 should be able to find your Bluetooth mouse and also connect to it from over here. You just want to go ahead and select the name of your Bluetooth mouse and you're good to go. Now, in the case of a keyboard, if you're connecting a wireless keyboard or a wired keyboard to your PS5, for a wireless keyboard, you just have to make sure that your keyboard is actually on pairing mode. As you can see, my Logitech keyboard is currently on pairing mode, and that is why the light over here is blinking. And as soon as your keyboard is on pairing mode on your PS5, you basically just want to head over to the settings, come over to the accessory settings, general, and then Bluetooth accessories. Your PS5 should actually be able to find the name of your Bluetooth keyboard. You can literally see mine over here. Once I select it, give it some few seconds, you want to enter the code on your PS5 inside of your keyboard so both devices can actually pair. Now, once you click on the enter button, both devices will automatically be paired. You're actually going to see from the top that my keyboard has now been properly connected with my PS5. If you actually want to be able to make some changes to your keyboard settings, you also have to come over to your PS5, press on the PlayStation button, and then come over to the accessories option over here, select accessories, then your keyboard, and then come over to keyboard settings, and then from over here you can go ahead and choose to make some changes to your wireless keyboard. For a wired keyboard, you just have to go ahead and connect the USB cable of your keyboard to the back of your PS5, and just like so, you should now be able to use the arrow keys on your keyboard to actually navigate through your PS5, and this is actually going to work pretty well without any problem. Keep in mind that at the end of the day, even though your PS5 actually supports a keyboard and a mouse, it is actually left for the game developers to decide whether they want this and how they actually want it on the games. So you want to go ahead and make some changes to the keyboard settings on any game you're playing on your PS5 and see how best it actually works for you. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.